Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to buy stocks on Robinhood for beginners. Investing in the stock market can seem intimidating, but with the right guidance, it can be a straightforward and rewarding experience. First, you need to download and install the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button to create an account. You will need to provide some personal information, including your name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide your social security number and other identification details to comply with financial regulations. After creating your account, you need to fund it. You can do this by linking your bank account to the app. Robinhood supports a wide range of banks, and the process is usually quick and easy. You can transfer funds from your bank account to your Robinhood account, and the money will be available for investment immediately. Now that your account is funded, you can start searching for stocks to buy. You can browse through the app's catalog of available stocks, or you can search for specific companies by name or ticker symbol. When you find a stock you are interested in, tap on it to view more information, including its current price, trading volume, and other relevant data. To buy a stock, tap on the Trade button and select the Buy option. You will then need to specify the number of shares you want to purchase. You can also choose to invest a specific amount of money, and the app will calculate the number of shares you can buy. Review your order carefully to ensure everything is correct, and then confirm the trade. It is essential to understand some key concepts before investing in the stock market. A share represents ownership in a company, and the price of a share can fluctuate based on market conditions. You can make money by selling your shares for a higher price than you bought them for, but you can also lose money if the price drops. As a beginner, it is crucial to start with a solid understanding of the basics and to invest responsibly. Set a budget and stick to it, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. It is also a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of different stocks and asset classes. Finally, keep in mind that investing in the stock market involves risks, and there are no guarantees of returns. However, with the right knowledge and a well-thought-out strategy, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can get started with buying stocks on Robinhood and begin your journey as a successful investor.